One of the biggest reasons men feel awkward around women is because they're trying to control how they're perceived. You don't look relaxed. You look guarded. I'd rather somebody meet me and decide, yeah, he just not my type, than meet some watered down version of me that I created because I was scared that this person wouldn't like the real me. At least now I know that this person either fuck with me or they don't fuck with me. And that brings me to another mistake I see all the time. Stop treating attractive women like they're different, bro. Some dudes can talk perfectly fine to everybody around them. Then a beautiful woman come in and shit, and you damn near forget how to speak English, my nigga. Your voice changes, your posture changes. You start being fidgety, doing weird shit, trying to be extra funny, being obnoxious, hanging all over your guys and shit. Like, bro, you good, my nigga? She's a person just like you. The same way that she's figuring out if she like you or not, you need to be running her through that same test. You might not even like her. Yeah, she pretty, but okay. You can flirt if you want to, make your intentions clear that you want to talk to her. But the moment you mentally put this woman on a higher pedestal than you before you even know who she is, that's crazy work. That's why you're nervous. Cause shit, for all we know, she beautiful, but she could be trash. She could be trash, my nigga. You might talk to her for 5 minutes and be like, yeah, I'm cool. I'm cool. This bitch a little too weird for me. I'm cool off her. That possibility can happen. And the last thing is simple. You gotta control your body language. That is talking way before you even say anything. Before you say your name, you know, it just shows your presence and your dominance when you walk into a space. And a woman can feel that way before you even approach her. You feel me? We got to keep in mind, women are emotional, right? They feel, we think. They feel, we think. When it comes to women and attracting women, you got to get out of your head and into your body. So your body language, that shit matters, bro. Not even just with attracting women, just how people are perceiving you in general. You feel me? Like, are you always in your phone? Are you always slouched over? Are you always like, you know, trying to not be in the moment? You know, somebody look at you, you hurry up and look away. Like, nah, nigga, be there. I'm here. I'm here. I'm not going no fucking where. I see you. I see you looking at me. You feel me? Make her break eye contact, nigga. That's how you come, and that's how you feel me? That's how you dominate the space, bro. Not by, you know, not trying to weasel out of it. Because you can even be fresh, bro. You can have on the dopest fit, my nigga. If you doing all this fidgety, just nervous type shit, bro, that shit just take your shit down 100 points, bro. That shit don't even matter. That shit don't even matter. Like, the fit matters, but you gotta have the confidence and shit and the walk and the talk with it too. You feel me? That's why you'll watch something like Pop the Balloon and they'll ask the woman, hey, is he your type? She'd be like, no. Then they ask her, like, what's wrong with him? Why is he not your type? And you usually see him say something like, I don't know, he's just not something I would usually go for. It's just, I don't know, it's just the energy, right? This shit that I'm talking about, that's what she's saying. She can't pinpoint what it is, but it's your body language, it's your attitude, it's your confidence, it's your fit, it's everything in one. And then they can make up if they like you or they don't like you. But the thing isn't about them liking you or not liking you, because it really don't matter, bro. Whether she like you or not like you, you need to walk in who you are, but you don't need to be offended or feel a type of way because she don't like you. Like, if girls don't like you, then shit, maybe go back to the drawing board and say, all right, shit, maybe my fit ain't there, maybe my confidence ain't there, maybe my eye contact ain't there, maybe just how I'm coming off ain't there. It's something that I can work on to improve my attractiveness and my sex appeal. That's it, my nigga. That's all you got to do. You feel me? Keep it like that, and you're gonna be well ahead of most men, especially in today's time, because you got a lot of women running men, and that's just not the way it's supposed to be, bro. So if you got value out of this video, then make sure you like, subscribe, comment, man. If you want to talk about more things like this in depth, we do have our Made Men Society. It's a community full of men that's working on dating, that's working on their appearances, just working on how they coming off and just self-improvement in general. So check out the link in the description, and I'll see you on the next video.